Yes, so here are the ingredients for today's flip chicken stir fry that contains a diabetes plate model and will increase your Mediterranean diet score. So definitely, we're going to use brown rice and quinoa. We're going to use extra virgin olive oil. We're going to use some non-starchy veggies, and we're going to use some lean chicken breast. As you can see, it's been marinating. Actually, I put it in the refrigerator yesterday. So it's been marinating for over a day. So this plate will be half of non-starchy veggies, and it'll be a quarter of lean chicken breast, and it'll be a quarter of healthy carbs, which are from brown rice and quinoa. Yes, it's going to be good. It's flipped, it's healthy, and everything. And the biggest thing is, it's going to reduce, guess what? It's going to reduce dAGEs. It's going to reduce those bad advanced glycation endpoints. And that's the key. All right, about to put this stuff together and get ready to start cooking. Oh, yes. Let's get started. Welcome to TKA. Let food be your medicine and let medicine be your food. I have a treat for everyone today. So today I'm going to prepare your typical chicken stir fry, but I'm going to flip it into a healthy chicken stir fry. So your typical chicken stir fry is deep fried with seed oil, number one. Two, it has white rice. Three, it doesn't have a lot of non-starchy veggies. And four, guess what? It's high in sodium. So when you deep fry, the meat and the chicken, guess what that does? It increases dietary advanced glycation endpoints. And that is very bad because it leads to increased levels of blood glucose levels. It damages the beta cells. It also causes aging. It messes with your bones and everything. So that's not good. So you want to reduce that. So we're going to flip it into a healthy chicken stir fry. So what I'm going to use instead is I'm going to use marinated chicken breast. I actually marinated for over a day with extra virgin olive oil and seasoning and herbs and lemons. Next, I'm going to use whole grain carbs from brown rice and quinoa. Next, I'm going to use low sodium soy sauce just to add a little bit of flavor. And I'm going to use a lot of non-starchy veggies such as kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. So what it's going to do is I'm creating a diabetes plate model, which is going to be 50% non-starchy veggies, a quarter lean chicken breast, and a quarter, guess what? Whole grains from brown rice and quinoa. And also, it's going to increase your Mediterranean diet score. A higher score, guess what? That leads to and reduces mortality. So let me show you some of the ingredients, the main ingredients. So right here, we have your marinated chicken breast, and I'm going to cook it in the air fryer, which is going to add that crunch to it, but still maintain the flavor and taste from the original chicken stir fry. So it's going to taste really good. You don't have to deep fry it. It's already been marinated. So it's great flavor on top of flavor. Also, next, you got your power greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Also, guess what? You got your whole grain carbs, brown rice and quinoa, and California extra virgin olive oil. So what's so great about extra virgin olive oil is going to reduce inflammation. Also, it supports beta cell function, which is good because guess what comes from beta cell? Your insulin. So again, by flipping this chicken stir fry, it's going to be healthy is because, again, using whole grains from brown rice, also using lean chicken breast, and using non-starchy veggies. All right, so I'm about to get ready to start cooking this. It's going to taste great. It's going to be healthy. It's going to be really good for you. So, hey, are y'all ready for this? All right, so I just cut up the chicken breast into cubes. Now it's about to go into the air fryer for a few minutes. Again, not going to deep fry the chicken breast because deep frying in seed oil leads to dietary advanced glycation endpoints, which is bad. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer for a few minutes, which is going to add that nice crunch, what people are used to when they eat chicken stir fry because it's deep fried. But again, if you're not deep frying it, we're gonna put it in the air fryer. It's gonna give a little crunch. So it maintains that same texture from the original chicken stir fry, but a lot more healthy because again, it was marinated overnight in extra virgin olive oil and herbs and spices and lemon, which reduces dietary advanced glycation endpoints. Again, a healthy version that was flipped. All right, I'm about to put this in the air fryer for a few minutes. All right, here is the final dish of the flip chicken stir fry that has the diabetes plate model, which is half veggies from kale, spinach, Swiss chard, carrots, celery, a quarter of marinated chicken breast, and a quarter of brown rice and quinoa. Overall, this modification preserved the familiar flavor profile and structure of the original dish while improving its nutritional quality and reducing factors that contribute to high dietary advanced glycation endpoints. Man, I'm about to chow down on this. I bet you it tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. But hey, it's time to get ready to eat. All right. Hopefully that you enjoyed today's video. Bye-bye.